Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Little Venice, one of London's most scenic and iconic areas. I'm going to be exploring their cafes, canals and waterways. So let's go check it out. The canal here in Little Venice is such a scenic spot with calm waters and beautiful reflections. There are plenty of ducks and birds around, making it even more peaceful. Walking along the canal, you really get to take in the charm of Little Venice. The houseboats aren't just homes, they're a unique work of arts, each one painted and decorated in its own style. The walk gets even better with these stunning houses lining the canal. On one side, you've got elegant posh homes, and on the other, the peaceful water. Definitely one of the most scenic walks in London. The more I walk, the more houseboats I see, each with its own character. Fun fact, most people actually live on these boats full time. Not a bad way to wake up, right? As I keep walking further along the road, buildings stand out with their traditional beautiful architecture. It really adds to the charm of this peaceful canal walk. To wrap up the day, I stopped by Cafe La Ville and had their pizza and pasta. Both were incredible. The pizza had the perfect crispy crust and the pasta was so flavorful. And the view from the cafe, which is all over Instagram, was just stunning. It's definitely a must visit.